Gonna be installing the skid plate, which is gonna just go on the underbelly of the car and help out with just protecting the oil pan and some of the other vital important stuff on the bottom part of the car. So let's get to it.
Alright guys, so there's going to be a total of 10 bolts here. There's 3 on this side, so one right here, another one right here, last one on this side is going to be right here. And then if you come all the way down to the other side, there's going to be 4 right here. So there's going to be another bolt right here, 1, 2, and then a little more deeper in here. Trying to get these angles for you guys, sorry. 3, and then 4. Last one's going to be right here where my finger is. Can't really see it, it's a little hard to pick up on the camera. And then the final 4 bolts are going to be, or 3 bolts, my bad, are going to be on this side. 1, 2, and 3. If you guys can get a little, see if it focuses for you guys, get a little closer look up on what that bolt's going to be looking like for you guys. So I can zoom in here. Okay. 10 bolts. And then this whole piece just plops out right here. You got your little oil filter back there. And the oil pan sits right below here.
Alright guys, that's going to go ahead and wrap up the skid plate install. It was a fairly easy install, it took around 30 minutes at the most. I would definitely recommend having 2 people to help you because the skid plate is kind of heavy, but other than that it's pretty simple, straightforward. Just put 10 bolts in, take the other one off, pretty simple. Alright guys, I'll catch you in the next one.